XAMPP control panel MySQL shut down unexpectedly. This is the port problem and actually a very small and common problem we can fix in this tutorial. Go to File Explorer, then this PC, C drive, XAMPP, and here you need to find MySQL, which is this one. And you will see there are lots of files and folders. You will see mainly data and backup folders. We will work on that. So data folder, you can rename data to data old. Then copy this backup folder, Control C for copy and paste here. Now you will see we have a backup and backup copy. Then you can rename backup copy to data. Then go to your data old folder and copy all the files and folders except performance schema, MySQL and phpMyAdmin. Then copy or a Control C. Then go back here and inside a data folder we need to paste. You can replace a file in the destination. So now we will start Apache and MySQL and you can see it's working. Then let's refresh. Few more things we need to discuss. IB data1 is an important file. Don't need to delete, otherwise you will destroy your all database. Second, this is not a permanent solution. After you can back up all your database, you can reinstall XAMPP. So this is the two safety tips that I gave you. So pretty much we have it done. So if you like, please give a thumbs up. Let me know what you think about this. So thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.